This is the operating mode of our inverter. When there is solar energy during the day, solar energy will charge the battery, simultaneously load both loads. At night, there will be both battery and AC power, simultaneously supply power to both loads. This is the actual unit of our inverter. I will explain to you how to wire it. This is our home load, load 2. This section is the backup load, load 1. This is our PV simulator. This is a battery simulator. Okay, now I'll explain how to wire it. This is the battery. This part is solar energy. This part is AC input. This is the backup load. This is an electricity meter. If the electricity meter is within this home load range, we have a CT scan here. Okay, now I'll demonstrate for you. How does it achieve unlimited load capacity? Okay, you can set it up here. Select solar only from here. Unload. Here we select solar first. Unload first. Okay. Our inverter is a full power 6 kilowatts. I've connected a 7 kilowatts power supply to my home computer. Meanwhile, this backup load is 1 kilowatt. Therefore, it has a total load of 8 kilowatts. Our PV power supply is currently 5 kilowatts. So here, there's a 3 kilowatt supply from the mains. By evening, no more page views. PV were coming in. But our load, this is still a 7 kilowatts household load. This is the backup load capacity of 1 kilowatt. Therefore, it is powered by both mains, power and battery. If anyone still has any questions, feel free to ask me again anytime.